story, of
All
course.
right, and now to Ozaukee County, where a 12-year-old boy accused of sexually assaulting a child at a Cedarburg daycare was in court.
That boy is actually pleading not guilty due to mental disease or defect. Fox 6's Myra Sanchik tells you where the boy goes from here.
The owner of the Family Tree Learning Center was in court as the 12-year-old boy charged with sexual assault appeared by video conference from the Juvenile Detention Center in Washington County. Due to the young age of the boy accused, the hearing was closed to the public. But the court did rule the child could be placed in the Rawhide Residential Facility, where social workers can assess and monitor his behavior. The boy's attorney entered a plea to deny the charges by reason of mental disease or defect, saying the child may have issues. The attorney also said he believed it was worth exploring the issue of competency. Meanwhile, parents of the children who were recently enrolled in the daycare are concerned.
I think it's disgusting that they just kind of turned their head and pretended it wasn't happening.
This woman says her son was molested by the same boy nearly 4 years ago. Nothing legally was done.
I mean, it's innocent children that are being hurt.
This father says the same 12-year-old boy was involved in an assault of his young son at the same daycare a year ago, but there wasn't enough evidence to do more.
I was quite devastated. I mean, to think that my child had gone to daycare there, and to hear that all these other children are now victims of another incident.
Earlier in the week, the daycare worker made a court appearance on allegations she did not report the most recent sexual assault.
She knew that this kid had a problem, and she allowed him to be alone with children at the daycare.
Meanwhile, the other children at the daycare, which is now closed, are being interviewed by child experts to see if there are any more victims. Myra Sanchik, Fox 6 News.
And the next step for the boy charged, is to get evaluated by a professional when he is placed at the Rawhide Residential Facility.